Hello everyone, today I'll show you how you can easily create a beautiful logo for your website, for your business, anywhere you want to use this logo. It's a beautiful logo. You can easily create this logo with Canva. So Canva has already this logo suggested logo size or resolution you can see, which is 500 into 500 pixel. So you can easily uh, create this logo if you want to select this thing, or you can easily customize your logo like 250 and 250 if you want to. No worries. And I am going to use this on. And Canva has a free profile for you, or a pro version. I am in a team right now, so that's why I will be using the pro version. You can easily if you are a free version, or if you are a free user, you can also able to create a logo and download, and you can use it for your businesses. So let me show you how you can easily create a beautiful logo for your business. Okay, after clicking the logo section, you will a new window will be open in your browser. Canva also have a mobile app for Android and for iOS version. So if you want to uh, use the app, you can also use the app and create a design for your business. Okay, so as you can see, this all this beautiful logo created by Canva designers for pro version. And this logo is free, and this as you can see, it's a kind of pro. It's rating pro, so you can't use it in a free version. If you want to use the premium version of this, you have to subscribe, or you have to purchase a plan from Canva website. Okay, so design will be easy, and the same thing for your free and the pro version, just the design difference or nothing. So if I select this thing and want to create a logo, like I have a business called Spectra X. It's a digital marketing agency. Digital marketing agency. Okay, and I want to change this logo color. Okay, we can do this. Yeah. Okay, and I also want to yeah, this type of little bit, or maybe I can also change the logo color. Everything I can also change this color. As you can see, it's beautifully, isn't it beautiful? And so you can easily change the color if you want. Okay, I am going with this, and also for this too with the same color. For this color, I also add this color to the bottom right of this section, so it will looking good. Okay, yeah, maybe I can yes, now it's perfect. Okay, okay, and easily use this thing. So this is how you can easily create a logo for your businesses. And let me show you how you can easily also create a logo for free, also using Canva. So the I want to use and to choose of this. Okay, maybe I can search this thing, technology logos. Okay, if I this you see this logo is for free, so that's why I choose this one. This is not for free, only for pro. I can use it for myself. Okay, so yeah, this is a image, so I can't maybe I can't change this logo. It's a logo, sorry, it's a image. Only I can change this text. As I can see, digital marketing agency, but I can still download and use it for my brand or website. And you can choose any resolution, any size if you want to, as I told you, in a custom size section, so you can easily choose your size. Okay, if you want to logo like this, you can do so, or you can also do this thing like this. You can delete this thing and just to not too big. Okay, so okay, and after design, you can easily download this. You can download one by one or in a or all together. Okay, so as you can see, you can also transparent your background if you are using the pro version. Without pro version, you can download in with transparent, so your logo will be contained, the background color will be white. You can't use this thing for transparent background. So, and a little bit customize. Okay, so you can't download in transparent background. If I choose this thing, as you can see, I can only I can download this thing because I am in a pro version. Okay, you can also compress this file in a lower quality if you want to save a space or file size. If you want to, you can do this thing. If you or only you can do this thing if you are a pro version of this thing. Okay, so I can download this. Yes, so download will be completed. Okay, so download is now completed, and if I am going, okay, as you can see, my logo is, it's in a transparent. Maybe I clicked uh, the transparent option. Maybe I click this thing, that's why the logo is in transparent background mode. Okay, and this image is also in transparent background, so the white background is removed. Okay, so this is how you can easily create a logo, beautiful logo for free, or if you want to use a pro version, you have to buy a premium package from Canva. Okay, so this thing easily you don't need to hire a logo designer for your reason if you are a startup. Okay, so if you are a startup business, you can easily uh, maybe primarily design this logo for your business, and later on you can improve based on the logo you designed. You can easily hire a logo designer in future. No worries. Okay, so this is how you can do for your business. I hope you understand, and if you follow this tutorial and stay with me, you will be find a new tutorial about how we can easily solve any problem in design, website design, or any marketing solution. Okay, so follow my channel. Thank you.